Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how to migrate your memory from maybe ChatGPT from any other LLM into Claude AI, because recently people have been migrating from ChatGPT to Claude AI because of its features, its powers, and its wonders that it has been delivering. So people used to now move haphazardly to Claude, but sometimes you may miss your memory and you may want to use the memory that you have from the other LLMs, and then based on your previous history be able to build up and start your conversations directly with Claude. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you step by step how you can import your memories from other LLMs, and then you can be able to use it to import it into Claude AI. Now to start with, let's say you've accessed your Claude, you've logged into your Claude, and now you have your page like this. Okay, so this is the chatting area. Now to access the importing feature, all you need is to come down to your profile. You can click, you can go to settings, and then you can come to privacy, you can come down to memory preferences. You can see it in here, memory preferences. You can click and it will bring you over here, so you can generate memories from chat history, what you have. If you want to create that from here, allow Claude to remember relevant context from your text. You can allow it based on the charts that you have. It should be able to remember the context that you have been using. But import memory from other AI providers enables you to now import memories based on the history or charts that you have with other LLMs. So bring in relevant context and data from another AI provider to Claude. We provide a prompt you can use to fetch the memory from your other account. So all you need is to click on start import and you can be able to be prompted to this particular page. Now this gives you two-step process. The first step is there is this prompt that you need to copy into a chat with your other AI provider. That's the other LLM that you have. So all you need is to copy this and then go back to that AI provider. For example, if it is ChatGPT, you can come back to ChatGPT and then you can create a new chat and paste in that prompt that you copy from Claude, and it's going to arrange and extract all of the memories that you have with this. All you need is just to send this and just give this some seconds to be able to go through, and now based on the information or based on the experience you've been having with this, it is now going to be able to extract all the information that you need as a base contextually and give you another response that you can go back to Claude and import. So let's say we are doing it at both ChatGPT and maybe one other model. Let's choose maybe Google Gemini. So we paste in the same prompt and then we can go ahead and generate it. Let's use the thinking feature and then generate the experience from what we have. Now what this is going to do for you is going to go through to clarify the memory and just give you another text that you can import, that you can copy, and now come back to the import feature where you can just import the memory. So this is where you can paste the result. So you can do this for all the LLMs that you've been using. So let's check on the ChatGPT one and you can see it has generated all of our experience summary. So all you need is just to copy this and then you can go back to Claude and then paste it in here, and your memory about ChatGPT can now be added directly into this very chat. So when you check the Gemini as well, you can see it has gotten through, and then this is what it has generated for you. So all you need is to copy this code as well and then go back to the Claude and just paste it as a second tool. So you can see this is what it has remembered about you, the top of mind, brief history, and then other things that it has generated. So you can see you can manage and edit this. If you're interested, you can check it out and see what you can generate, or you can clear edits or back to memory. It has added, see what Claude learned about you. You can even see directly, and then you can edit where necessary if you need to edit anything. So right now it has added your memory and everything, and then you can now be able to work with it based on those previous context and memories that you have created with the other LLMs. So this is simply how you can go ahead and import different memories that you have from ChatGPT, from Google Gemini, from the Book LM directly into Claude and start using it completely free of charge. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.